how to see who's online on Snapchat. So if you went right here to Snapchat app and try to look for someone inside the Snapchat, let's say for example, let me go ahead to the Bitmoji at the top left corner, scroll a little bit down into my friends, and from there scroll a little bit down until you find, let's say for example, Lana. So I'm gonna just hold, and you're gonna click on her profile icon or on his profile icon at the top left, and you're gonna see right here, if you shared your location with anyone, you will see her or his last location maybe 10 hours ago, 2 hours ago, in that exact location. The second way is by just going ahead and click chat right here, the chat icon next to the camera, and just go ahead and start chatting, right? And now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead and start a chat with that person, and afterwards you're gonna see that this message is delivered or whatnot, and you're gonna wait up for a few moments until this person delivered the message or not. If it was like a couple hours went and he or she didn't see that message, probably they are not available at this moment. But if he or she saw the message a couple hours ago or saw it at that exact moment, that means that this person is actually available. So for now, this is the best solution to actually know who is online on Snapchat. Until the future, we can't actually know, until the future update, we can't actually know if Snapchat provided this feature, or we see who is available or who is not. Let me know in the comments. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.